Hey guys, my name is Lisandro Garcia and I'm an audit senior for Burton McCumber Cortez. Sorry I couldn't be there with you all today, but I'm still going to have a couple of seconds to talk to you really quick about client interaction and its importance in our profession. You see, it doesn't really matter if you're in tax or audit, you're still going to have some type of client interaction. But in audit, interacting with the client, conversations with the client, client inquiries are usually a very important part of the audit engagement itself. You see, in my time here at BMC, I've come to realize that as an auditor, I'll spend about 80 to 90% of my time out at the client's offices. And that usually gives me really good exposure to a lot of different type of people and personalities. And you see, that's very helpful because throughout any audit engagement, you'll have to talk to a lot of different people at the client's offices, such as from CFOs, CEOs, and presidents of the company to maybe even some shipping and receiving clerks and administrative assistants. So as an auditor, it's very important and crucial that you're able to talk to these people and interact with them because sometimes they can give you better insights and leads, audit leads, that any other audit procedure can't give you, such as vouching or testing. Also, I've come to realize that for me, interacting with a client usually makes it a lot easier to understand my client's business, operations, and environment. And I've also come to notice that with time, interacting with a client usually helps me build, grow, and maintain these client relations with them. So as you can see in audit, it's really important to be able to interact with clients. Guys, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity and your time. Hopefully I was able to give you a little bit of insight on interacting with a client, and I'll just hand it over to one of my other coworkers to continue with the presentation. Y'all have a good one.